Two ants don't fail to leave. Thank you so much.
Cannot be forward. Thank you.
Two ants don't fail to leave.
PS, perhaps you want.
And it has successfully supported so many young people to, one, as a pull factor to go to school and therefore increased access. Two is retention. And three is that it's been possible for these children to concentrate in their learning, given that they have had a meal.
Serikali ya Kenya imetoa ahadi kwamba by 2013 watoto wote wa Kenya watakuwa wanapata chakula shuleni kwa aina mbalimbali. Inaweza kuwa ni serikali imetoa hicho chakula, ama development partners wakan support, ama NGOs, ama school communities wakatoa ile support, lakini kwa kujumuisha by 2030 inakuwa kwamba kila mtoto anapata chakula kwa shule.